just to make my face look a little bit more lifted and bright and like I'm a human and not some kind of monster that crawled out from under my bed. Hey guys, it's Zia. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my makeup with you guys. There's a couple new things I want to try. I already actually started filming this video, and I tried out this matte clay skin clarifying foundation from the Body Shop, and I really like it. It's really good. It looked really smooth on my face and everything, but it's too light for me, so that's my fault. But aside from the color being wrong, it's good. Anyway, I'm gonna try out this one. This is Fiji Sand. Hopefully it looks okay. I've tried it before, but not on camera, and it looked okay, but now I'm worried that when I do put it on camera, it's gonna look really light. Okay, it's not too light. It's not too light. There's warmth here. Okay, good. This is more of a natural, I want to say, foundation. It's called the Fresh Nude Foundation. I'm going to build it up a bit to get to like a medium full coverage. You guys know that most of the time I really don't wear makeup because I just don't have the patience to put it on all the time. And like when I do a full face, I want to do like a really good full face, and I don't always have the patience to do it. The times I really want to wear makeup and like make myself look cute is when I'm going out with Ernie. And then on those days that I am going to go out with Ernie, I end up like not wanting to do my makeup simply because I want to spend more time with him. It's very frustrating because like I want to look cute when I go out with my husband, but I also like don't want to spend the time doing my makeup when I go out with my husband. You know what I mean? It's very frustrating. This is really nice foundation. Like I said, it's the Fresh Nude Foundation from the Body Shop. I got it on sale. I would not pay full price, although I think full price is like 24 bucks. I might be wrong. Don't quote me on that. Concealer. This is still the old color that I was using, the really light one in the shade Light Sand. Oh my gosh, I've been using bubble wrap from Glossier under my eyes, and I love it. It's like my favorite thing. I even bought another one to have as backup. People put it on their lips too, but I didn't like the feeling of it on my lips. It felt too lotiony to have on my lips, so I just put it on my under eyes, and I feel like it's definitely hydrating and plumping. Doesn't do much for brightening, but it definitely does plump up my under eyes. And I'm going to set my concealer using my Airspun translucent. Actually no, the one that I'm using is naturally neutral. I prefer translucent, but my husband got this one for me one day, like forever ago, and I didn't want to tell him that he picked up the wrong one, so I just dealt with it. And still dealing with it because this stuff lasts forever. Even if you are somebody that does your makeup like every day, this will probably still last like at least like 6 months, maybe a year, maybe more, depending on how much setting powder you use. I use a lot when I do my makeup because I'm oily. Alright, my camera overheated, so while it was cooling down, I primed my eyelids using the NYX eyeshadow base and this powder from the Tartelette Toasted palette, the shade S'more, which is this one right here. That's on my eyes already, and now I am going to start dipping into, actually no, maybe I should finish my brows real quick. So, I have my NYX eyeshadow cake powder. Not eyeshadow, eyebrow cake powder. And where is my brush? Here we go. I'm going to take the deeper shade, the one that looks like it's missing already. I've also been using this powder for years. I should probably get rid of it, but I'm not going to. And I'm just gonna fill in my brows a little. Usually I would go in with pencil first, but since I already have henna on my brows, I don't feel like it's necessary. I have the Glossier Brow Flick. Honestly, I don't feel like this is worth the money at all because I don't feel like it really does enough, in my opinion. Yeah, I know it's supposed to make natural brow hairs, but like honestly, I can't see them. Even before the henna thing, like I couldn't see them very much. And it takes a long time to build up. I probably wouldn't buy it again. All in all, I think Glossier is kind of hit or miss. Like, there's some really good things, and then there's other things that are like overpriced and not worth it. I'm gonna start off with this shade up here. I don't think these have names. No, there's nothing on the back that says any names. So this mustard shade right here, I love. It's so cute. So I'm just gonna start putting that all over the crease. And I bring my crease shade up pretty high because I have hooded eyes. This shade. One of these, I don't know which one to take. I'm going to take this shade, also in my crease. Taking it on a little application brush here. I'm just gonna pack that on. These are my favorite shades to play with. They're like right in between glam and grunge, which is my jam. Nobody says my jam anymore, but I just did. Oh, taking this brown and I'm putting that right in the outer corner just to give my eyes some depth. This eyeshadow, I thought it was gonna be like really pigmented. A little more like the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk. Those ones are super pigmented. As you can see, the pigmentation is good here, but it takes a little bit more work to get everything as opaque and as bold as I would like it to be. You guys, oh, my friend Angel let me know. Actually, she told me like an hour ago, but I didn't see it until now, that Beautylish had the Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson Conspiracy palette. They had a few. I don't know how they got it. I don't understand. But I got one. I'm so excited. Yes! I thought I was gonna have to wait until like the middle of the year or something, like June, July maybe. I don't know. But hopefully the order is like actually complete and they're going to send it to me and not send me an email in a couple days saying, yeah, you know what, you actually don't get it, so here's a refund. So we'll see what happens. Really excited. Okay, so moving on to the lower lash line. I think I'm good with the top. We're gonna leave it for now. Let's go in with this really pretty guy. Oh wait, no, maybe I'll add some shimmer. We'll see. Anyway, just taking this guy across the whole lower lash line. I always see people do like really thick lower lash line stuff and it looks so good, like that blown out really smoky eye, and it looks amazing. But I'm always worried that on me I'm just gonna look like a raccoon at a rave or something. Like it's just not gonna look right, so I keep it fairly thin. I'm taking this color from the outer corner all the way to the inner corner. Okay, maybe I was being a little too judgy to this palette earlier when I said like the pigmentation wasn't that great. Maybe it's just me having a bad day. I don't know. But I really love these colors. They're really pretty. Did I really need another palette with these colors in it? Probably not. But it's just so easy to hold. It's like the perfect size. It's so nice. The mirror is a good size. I love it. I love it. I can make like so many looks with this. And they probably all look very similar to each other, but I love it. So I'm gonna take this shade now. I'm gonna go about a third of the way in. You see, like starting right here, and take that all the way out. I'm gonna take the brown shade, put that right on the outer corner, blend it together with the brown on the outer corner of the lid. You know what I mean. See? They have these shimmers in here that I haven't even swatched yet. They feel nice, but they don't look very shimmery. They're just kind of a satin, which is also nice. You see? Oh my god, these swatches are beautiful. You see that? Wow. Should I take some or should I just leave it matte? I'm gonna leave my eyes matte for now. Going to dust away all of the baking, of which there is a lot. Now I'm gonna move on to contour. As usual, going to take my Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Palette. I am set for like at least the next year with this, because I bought all the refills that I need. I got 3 of this one, 3 of this one. The other ones will last forever because I don't use them very much at all. So yeah, I don't have to buy them for a very long time. I take the deep shade around my chin, trying to make this double chin look like it's not here. This year it's gonna go away for the most part. Not completely, because I don't think that it will ever completely go away. But I'm going to lose enough weight to where I won't be too worried about this. Because like when I got married and I was still at 210 pounds. Don't get me wrong, I was not thin. But my double chin was nowhere near as severe as it is right now. Need to make a little cut here, kind of clean things up. So to contour my nose, I just cover the whole bottom with the light shade. I know, sounds a little excessive, but that's what I do. And I fill it up until about this point because it makes my nose a little shorter, look a little bit higher too. And then I just lightly blend everything on the sides. I'm not trying to make my nose look super pinched. I just want to slim it down a little bit, especially towards the tip of the nose, because that's where it kind of like widens more than I would like for it to. Alright, now I'm going to apply some liner and lashes. I'm going to do that off camera because it takes a minute and I need to let my camera cool down because this girl, she overheats real quick. Okay, got some liner and lashes on. It took me a minute because I was very distracted watching, what's her face? Oh my gosh, what's her name? I forgot your name. I'm so sorry. Oh my gosh. Raw Beauty Christy. She's doing this makeup, but like you can't see the makeup like they do in movies. And I've always been like so curious about that. In some movies or on TV, like on Jane the Virgin, like Jane never looks like she's wearing makeup. It just looks like she's wearing eyeliner and lipstick. Like literally that's all it looks like she has on. Maybe like some brow product, but her skin just looks so flawless and buttery and everything. So that's what Raw Beauty Christy was doing right now. And really, she did a great job. Thank you to Nancy for introducing me to Raw Beauty Christy's channel because I didn't watch her before. What is going on with my eyes? I did something wrong. And then I have this little black spot. See the little black spot? Can you see it? Right there. Right there. I'm just gonna leave it. It's fine. It's fine. It just looks like a beauty mark or something. It's okay. Alright, moving on to blush. I'm gonna use this one right here. This is the shade Insightful from Tarte. I wanted to go for understated blush, but let's just forget that. Okay, I don't know what happened, but I went really overboard with my blush really quick, and I brought it way too far into the center of my face. On to highlight. I'm gonna use the Kevyn Aucoin Neo Limelight in Ibiza, and just going to pat a little bit. This is like a highlight that sometimes I use on days when I'm not wearing makeup, and I just take a little bit of the lightest portion. I go all the way when I'm going like super glam. I'll just take the lightest portion and apply it right on the cheekbones and a little bit down the bridge of the nose, and of course like on the brow bone, just to make my face look a little bit more lifted and bright and like I'm a human and not some kind of monster that crawled out from under my bed. Gonna apply some mascara if I can find it. Done with the mascara, going to add a little bit of my eyeliner to my lower lash line. This is the Wet n Wild On Edge Long Wearing Eye Pencil. It's kind of like a gel pencil, which makes it super easy to apply. It's very soft and you don't feel like you're stabbing yourself in the eye, but it does transfer. So that is a downside for those of you who don't like that, but I'm okay with having a little bit of transferring with my black eyeliner. Alright, almost done here. I have this lipstick that I want to try from Melt. It's in the color Mum. It's super pretty. Very similar to the Kylie Pumpkin liquid lipstick, but I'm like really over liquid lipstick at this point. I don't like how drying it is, and as somebody who has smaller lips to begin with, I would rather have something that moisturizes them instead of drying them out and making them disappear faster than they need to go. So I have the Kylie Pumpkin lip liner. As you guys can see, it is well loved. I feel like it's missing something. I'm going to take this shade up here. I'm just going to add the smallest amount right next to the highlight. Alright, and that, oh wait, no. I'm gonna take my hair down because that's already in process. But lastly, where's my boy brow? Here it is. Lastly, applying some boy brow to keep my brows in place. It works really well. Like, I thought that this was gonna be overrated, but I like it. I like it a lot. But I don't know if I would pay, I think it's cost $18. Everything today has either been like 18 or 24. Honestly, I'm not even sure what it is anymore. But it's really good. I do like it, but I don't know if I would pay the same amount for it. So I feel like there are other products out there that can work just as well for a better price. I really like everything that I used today. The lipstick is so good. I gotta grab a mirror so I can like take a closer look because I can't always see. Yeah, I like this lipstick. This is a really pretty lipstick. I also have 3 that I recently bought from the Huda Beauty Power Matte, I think it's called. I have Interview, Game Day, and one other one. I think it's called Rogue. Yeah. No. I don't know. I'm not sure anymore. But I'm gonna use those next. I saw somebody do like a whole look using just Game Night, and it was really cool. Like, she used it for her contour and an eyeshadow and her lipstick. I think we're gonna do something similar to that soon and like share it with you guys, probably on a vlog, so we can see how it turns out. That's everything. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below if you have not already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys. Oh, don't forget to hit the notification bell and follow the social media thingy things. Okay, bye.